We, NKM Planning Solutions, believe in delivering values. We have delivered webinars on automation in construction project planning in top 20 colleges in India. More than 4,000 students and professionals have attended this webinar. They appreciate it. We received 9 out of 10 ratings for this webinar. Also, since last 5 months, we are conducting a workshop on construction project planning and advanced techniques. In this workshop, we focus on skill set expecting from the construction industry. We have trained remarkable number of students and professionals. Let's see what they are saying.
We are into civil interior turnkey contracting. I basically am in this field for last more than 24 years now. It's a very nice concept what you guys have come up with, and it is very much effective and useful. As on today's this thing, when we see the project management part from that kind of perspective, it is very much useful. It's a very good tool what you have come up with.
I am a core execution guy. We did planning, but in phases, not like you people, we are in core. You only focus on the planning and how it has to be controlled and how everything has to be controlled regarding planning, the budgeting, the costing part. Even in the day's work, which were missed out, how we can recognize, means we can sort out the period, we will escalate, how to budget. That were missing from my side. So I got a little bit knowledge from how to do all these things from your short workshop.
I like the many topic, like some of them were I think the project planning and scheduling, then resource management, and also some I think that aspect which I found was advanced Excel techniques, and those were very useful I think.
This workshop is really very helpful to me as it is more practical towards the management part, and so really it is very good for me.
Uniqueness of the content which have been provided during this whole workshop and the efforts that have been made for explaining each and everything. So it definitely I like this workshop.
एनकेएम प्लानिंग को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ। ये प्रोजेक्ट जो है स्पेशली जो कंस्ट्रक्शन फील्ड में रहते हैं उन लोगों के लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल है। 3 दिन का वर्कशॉप था तो काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला। जिस तरह समझाया है इट्स वेरी वेरी नाइस, एंड आप लोगों का जो इस पैटर्न है जो समझाने का तरीका वो एकदम बहुत ही सरल और बहुत आसान भाषा में था, जिसको समझने काफ़ी कुछ भी मुश्किल नहीं लगा। और आप लोगों ने साथ ही साथ रिकॉर्डिंग जो भेजा हम लोगों को ईमेल में तो काफ़ी हेल्पफुल है, क्योंकि जब भी हम भूल जाते हैं कुछ तो हम उसे रिफ़र करके फिर दोबारा देख के और हमारा जो भी रिकॉल हम इजी से कर सकते हैं, तो इससे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा।
You got the new technology and something special in Excel and collaboration with project management.
Okay.
Very huge and enormous creation.
सेशन खूप असं पॉवरफुल होतं. सेशनचं जे कंटेंट जे आहे, टॉपिक जे आहेत, रिअल आपल्या प्रोफेशनल लाईफमध्ये युजफुल होणारे होते. असं नाही की ते थेरॉटिकली होतं. इट्स अ कम्प्लीट प्रॅक्टिकल ओरिएंटेड वर्कशॉप, ज्याच्यामध्ये आपला प्रोजेक्टचा डेटा आहे, इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्लॅनिंग्स असतील, इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्वांटिटीज असतील, इन टर्म्स ऑफ इस्टिमेशन्स असतील, इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्लॅन ॲक्टिव्हिटीज असतील, विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू प्लॅन बजेट्स. हे ॲक्च्युअल ज्यावेळेस आपल्या इन्कर्ड कॉस्ट ज्या होतात आणि याचा मंथली फ्लो हा कसा असणं अपेक्षित आहे आणि तो प्लॅन वर्सेस अचिव्ड कशा पद्धतीने असेल याचं स्ट्रक्चरिंग खूप छान पद्धतीने या वर्कशॉपमध्ये मितेश सर आणि केदार सर यांनी एक्सप्लेन केलेलं होतं.
As a management students, it is this workshop is really helpful to me as I goes into the industry or as I work in permanent employee in some company. The techniques which discussed in this workshop, it really helped me.
When I am having that tool in front of me, it is becoming very easy to me to understand the status of the project, where we are right now and where we need to go. So that in our projects is very much important, because unlike construction projects which go on for 2 or 3 years at a time, our projects get over within 2 or 3 months. Right. So it is a very fast track kind of a thing, and for that fast track kind of a thing, we are actually every day is useful for us. Even if we lose a day, the effect increases. So it becomes very useful for us to use that kind of a tool to manage the project.
I am I'm fully satisfied with the work that have been done by NCAM planning team, you and the Mitesh sir. So I will give the 5 out of 5. That is my honest review. Otherwise, I will give whatever I feel. But this is honest. I felt that this is something unique which we have not learned in our even courses in college. So I am fully satisfied with it.
Which has been taught by you, I told to my friend, and he said it was a nice, because my project is at finishing stage, so I can't apply all these things to that. When I am going a new project, I will sure 110% I will apply all these things to it.
9 वर्कशॉपसाठी मी माझं रँकिंग देईल आणि सगळ्यांना सजेस्ट कराल की नक्कीच हे वर्कशॉप तुम्ही जॉईन कराल, हे वर्कशॉपचं तुम्ही सबस्क्रिप्शन कराल आणि ते जे नॉलेज जे आहे, जे प्रॅक्टिकली आहे, जे तुम्ही सगळेजण अवगत कराल आणि याचा सगळ्यांना आपल्याला आपल्या प्रोफेशनल करिअरमध्ये खूप उपयोग होणार आहे. आपल्या स्किल सेटवरती, आपल्या कॉन्फिडन्सवरती खूप याचा इम्पॅक्ट पॉझिटिव्हली होणार आहे.
It is very helpful for me, and I will recommend all the students and professionals to do this workshop.
When I posted this workshop certificate, 2 to 3 people asked me what about this. So I also recommended. I told him that whenever that I get notification from you and your team, I will definitely share that about that workshop with them.
Another project I told my friend, use these things. He was very different. He also told me, he gave me feedback. Rakesh, it was very nice. Some SOPs, we prepared some SOPs, but that were not up to your standard. We think about 10 ideas and you gave us 14 and 15. We went 5 plus. That was a plus. That was an advantage. See, I would recommend everybody to attend this workshop because the core planning people, what they hide from us, we can learn from you people.
जो मेरे कलीग्स से इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हैं, तो मैं उनसे ये सजेस्ट करूँगा कि आप जरूर इस प्लानिंग को एक बार अटेंड करें ताकि आपको काफ़ी तजुर्बा मिलेगा इससे.
Thank you very much. I also prefer those workshops towards junior and as well as our senior also.
I will definitely recommend this. I'll make sure that I'll recommend this, and for my friends, I'll tell them to do this workshop in the future because it is very useful.